Here are the latest events and happenings in Oxfordshire. Watch horse and rider combinations compete in the popular equestrian event, the Blenheim Palace International Horse Trials. Detective Sherlock Holmes is once again summoned to solve a murder mystery in the outbreak of World War I in the play To Kill a Canary. Oxfordshire County and Thame Show, dubbed as England's greatest agricultural show, returns to its traditional date this September. The Blenheim Palace International Horse Trials, the equestrian event that has been attracting the best riders and thousands of visitors from all over the world since 1990, will be held on the 11th until the 14th of September. Watch horse and rider combinations compete against other combinations across 3 disciplines: dressage, cross-country, and show jumping. The dressage phase, wherein balance, rhythm, suppleness, and obedience of the horse and its harmony with the rider are the criteria for judging, will take place over the first 2 days. Happening next is the cross-country phase, which many consider as the most exciting part of the competition. Riders will take on the challenge of big fences and unique water complex across the River Blenheim. The timed course will run around the beautiful Blenheim parkland. Show jumping is the final phase of the competition, testing the technical jumping skills of the horse and rider. This will take place in the Marlborough Arena in front of the palace. This event is enjoyed by all, whether you are a horse lover or not. Aside from the eventing action, other activities and displays will be available in the stunning grounds of Blenheim Palace. Spend the weekend with your family in the Blenheim Palace International Horse Trials. Book your tickets now by visiting this website. 1916. It's been 3 years since the Great War began. Britain's survival against Germany relies greatly not only on the forces at the front, but also on the Canary Girls, Britain's women munitions workers. 3 of these girls were found dead, shaking the British government in fear that the armaments industry's morale might collapse. The government secretly summons Sherlock Holmes and Dr. John Watson, their primary suspect, Jack the Ripper, whose murders 30 years ago are very similar to the way the 3 girls were killed. Solve the mystery with the famous detectives running through the plot's twists and turns, keeping the audience at the edge of their seats until the last gasp. To Kill a Canary extends the exploits of the original Conan Doyle characters to beyond the outbreak of World War I. After its opening run at the Kenton Theatre, the producers plan to transfer the play to the West End. Book your tickets online to witness Sherlock Holmes and Dr. Watson's forensic talents as they take on another mystery. England's greatest agricultural show is back to its traditional date. The Oxfordshire County and Thame Show will be held on the 18th of September 2014. The main ring brings a number of exciting attractions such as the scurry racing, one of the world's most exciting and action-packed equestrian sport. World record holder the Kangaroo Kid will also captivate audiences as he maneuvers quad bikes and motorcycles around the arena. The Countryside Arena also has its own lineup of entertainment. Mules R Us will show us the versatility of mules in the UK. Bob Hog will display smart and well-trained sheepdogs. Game Goer Country displays and the Lamb National Sheep Race are also part of the event. Alongside entertainments in the main ring and Countryside Arena, visitors may also enjoy other attractions. Expect lots of fun and enjoyment in this year's Oxfordshire County and Thame Show. And that was Oxfordshire Info. Be updated about events and happenings in Oxfordshire by logging on to our website at www.oxfordshireinfo.co.uk.